Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle is a binary puzzle. Binary puzzle in the additional. Oh, apologies. Binary puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday. March the 1st, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku, so 2 puzzles are left. The checks are like with 4 stars. In Dutch they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. But you're not interested, you are interested in this one, yes. The binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 6046. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 14 printed digits. 14. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1. Here no, there no. Double 1. Here no, there no. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1. Here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes an O. And now you will need to think. Well, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. That box should be no. Same for here in this column. 3 O's. And an O between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So that box should be a 1. Alright. Okay. 3 ones we have here in this row. If I place number 4, the fourth one there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be no. Well. Here we have 3 ones in this column. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. And we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, so we have 4 O's, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Now we have 4 ones, so that's the O's. Between 2 O's comes a 1. And an O. Here we have 3 O's. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. That box should be a 1. Then, okay. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Well. Time for comparing. Cannot continue. Well, not true. We have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. They should be no. If I place the 4th one here, then we still have 3 O's in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes a 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Alright. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Well, 1, 2, 3. Need to compare. We can compare these 3 rows, or, well, not. Wait. We have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 there, the 4 1 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. They should be no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Okay, now I need to compare. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So the columns we can compare, or the rows we can compare. Let me see. Yeah. This row and the last row. Alright. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Empty box, 0, 0. We need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1, between 2 1's comes an O. Finish in 6 minutes. Well, only one time comparing, and I like this one, yes. Really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.